Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing of the first of our tech arrivals. We've actually quite a bit here to get through. As well, we have a couple of reviews pending, but this is the Edifier Luna Eclipse. If you're not familiar with Edifier, they're a brand that make music peripherals such as speakers and so on. We've actually done quite a few with our speakers here. We actually have an in-house home entertainment system which we still use. We'll actually link that below. I'm going to link all these up together when we're done. So this box is pretty huge and it works with mobile, tablet, PC, notebook and TV. And it's the E25 Multimedia speaker. Well, speakers. So this features, it's got Bluetooth pairing compatibility with Bluetooth source devices, touch sensitive controls, auxiliary input versatile connectivity, professional amplifier, digital processing and dynamic range, independent power amplifier, 3-inch bass drivers with 19 mm of silk dome tweeter in each speaker, twin passive bass radiators, remote control and tapped holes for mounting bolts to the wall or the speaker mounting. So pretty cool indeed, and this is what they kind of look like here. So I'm going to take it out of the actual box itself, and it's a pretty hefty box as well. So if we open up the box, we're presented with the speaker straight away, and it's well padded as you can see there. And we also have a manual here, user manual, and these are the usual bits and pieces that nobody really reads, but that's what's in there, and that just sticks in there. So first off, we get a lot of cables with this, and we also get a remote control, and you can see there it has the Edifier logo on it, and it's powered by one of those circular batteries as you can see. So we've got one plug here, we have got our power source here, we have some cable here, this auxiliary cable, and again more power here. So we have a few cables there, and we also get a little cloth for cleaning them, so that's pretty cool. So this is what they are here, and they're in two big pod shapes like so. So we're going to pop them out and put this to one side. I'll just get all the cables out of the way, and this is what we will be looking at here. And there's a pretty hefty weight to this indeed, and you can see the Edifier branding there, and you can see these are pretty cool. And we have up here as well, and in here we can also see, you can see more bits and pieces in there, top and bottom. They look pretty tasty indeed, and there's a fair bit of weight to them. So this is a speaker in here, so this is just the one that will sit and complement the other one here, because this one has all the IOs on it. And on the back here we can see we've got our auxiliary in, our DC and our speaker out there, and it's pretty cool. And again, it's pretty much the same. On the bottom they have rubber soles, if you will, so that will stop them from vibrating and moving around. And we can see some volume controls and power here. So these are our touch controls, and pretty awesome indeed, and they look pretty futuristic if you ask me, and we look forward to testing these out. So we're going to have to obviously set these up and give you a sound test then, and let you see what they listen, and we'll probably try and pair them up with our existing set here that we have connected to our TV. And you can see the IR blaster there, so your remote control will be controlling through this. So it's pretty cool. So both of them are the same on the bottom there, as you can see. This one has a bit more information on it to read should you want to. But that's just about it for now, and that's basically what they look like there. They are pretty cool. pretty heavy as well, and these can be sat down or mounted as well. There's a choice to do so. If you want to put them on stands around the wall. Personally, I think these would probably best sat on perhaps a personal arrangement or setup that you might have at home, be it a shelf or whatever the case may be. But that's just it for now. So any questions, techbuzzlearning.com. Stay tuned. Lots of videos and tech coming your way in 2018. We've got a couple of new partners on board and collaborations we're delighted to announce, and we'll be keeping them close to our chest for now and talk a bit more of them as things come along. We already have some tech on the way in from them as we speak. So we'll talk to you in the next one, and thanks for all the support last year. And do stay tuned this year and keep watching for the most tech reviews in Ireland. Thanks for watching.